From the moment we first looked up at the stars and asked why, humanity has been enchanted by the astonishing precision of the universe. Planets orbit their stars with uncanny stability, fundamental forces operate with extraordinary balance, and life, delicate, complex, and improbable, emerged from a cosmic soup with just the right ingredients. But why does everything seem so perfect? Why does the universe appear to be designed with such precision that even the slightest tweak in its fundamental properties would make life, stars, and even atoms impossible? This is the heart of one of the most fascinating questions in science and philosophy. Is the universe fine-tuned? And if so, why? Let's take a deep dive into the astonishing harmony of the cosmos and the ideas that try to explain it. The Goldilocks universe, everything just right. Start with the constants of nature, the speed of light, gravitational constant, Planck's constant, the strength of the strong nuclear force, and many more. These aren't arbitrary numbers, they're incredibly precise. If gravity were just a little stronger, stars would burn out too fast for life to evolve. If the electromagnetic force were slightly different, atoms wouldn't form. If the universe expanded just a bit faster at the start, it would have torn apart before galaxies could form. Cosmologists have called this the Goldilocks principle, not too hot, not too cold, just right. It's as though the universe is a grand orchestra, and every instrument, every constant and law, is tuned to play in perfect harmony. But who, or what, did the tuning? Anthropic principle, we see it because we're here. One explanation comes from a philosophical idea known as the anthropic principle. It basically says, don't be surprised the universe seems perfectly suited for life, because if it weren't, we wouldn't be here to notice. In other words, we exist in a universe that can support observers. That might seem like circular reasoning, but it's a powerful tool in cosmology. There could be trillions of universes with different laws and constants. Most of them would be sterile, lifeless, chaotic. We just happen to live in the rare one that allows life to emerge. But that opens a bigger question. Are there really other universes? Multiverse theory, a cosmic lottery. Imagine you have a cosmic slot machine. Each pull randomly selects values for gravity, the speed of light, the strength of the strong nuclear force, etc. Most combinations produce nothing interesting. But once in a while, you hit the jackpot. That's the idea behind the multiverse theory. If our universe is just one of an infinite or vast number of universes, then the fine-tuning isn't a miracle, it's statistics. Life exists in this universe not because it was designed, but because in one of the billions of possibilities, this one worked. It's like flipping a coin 100 times and getting all heads. Astronomically unlikely, but if you had infinite tries, eventually it would happen. Yet many scientists struggle with this explanation because other universes may be unobservable. It's a compelling idea, but can it ever be proven? The simulation hypothesis, a designed illusion? Here's where science fiction creeps into science fact. Some philosophers and physicists entertain the idea that we're living in a simulation. If a future civilization had immense computing power, it might simulate conscious beings, like us, inside a virtual universe. In such a scenario, the universe would appear perfectly tuned, because it was designed that way by a programmer. Intelligent design, a higher hand? To some, the precision of the cosmos is evidence of intelligent design, a conscious creator who set the dials just right. This is not the religious argument of old, but a modern philosophical proposition that the fine-tuning is not random or accidental, but purposeful. Sir Fred Hall, a famed British astrophysicist and once a staunch atheist, famously remarked, "A common-sense interpretation of the facts suggests that a super-intellect has monkeyed with physics." Of course, this idea can't be proven scientifically, and it often sparks heated debate. But it continues to fascinate thinkers across the spectrum of science and spirituality. Quantum magic, order from chaos. Another possibility lies in the quantum realm, where randomness and uncertainty rule. What if the laws of physics emerged from deeper, chaotic conditions, shaped by probabilities and patterns that naturally create order? Some physicists believe that quantum fluctuations in the early universe might have led to the formation of galaxies, stars, and eventually, life. In this view, the universe isn't fine-tuned by design, but by self-organizing principles. Nature finds a way, through chaos, symmetry, and mathematical elegance. This doesn't require a creator or a multiverse, just an understanding that out of randomness can come remarkable structure. The cosmic symphony, a matter of perspective. No matter which explanation you prefer, the anthropic principle, multiverse, simulation, intelligent design, or quantum emergence, the undeniable fact remains. The universe works astonishingly well. Consider this. Earth is exactly the right distance from the sun. Water has bizarre properties, like expanding when frozen, that are essential for life. DNA, the molecule of life, encodes billions of instructions with stunning efficiency. All of this unfolds in a universe governed by laws we can understand, describe mathematically, and even predict. That's not just useful, it's beautiful. What if the universe has to be this way? There's a growing idea among theoretical physicists that the universe might not have any free parameters at all. That is, the laws and constants might be the only way they can exist. This is the dream of the theory of everything, a single framework, perhaps involving string theory or loop quantum gravity, that explains why the universe must be the way it is. If such a theory exists, it could show that the universe's perfection is not a coincidence, not a product of design or luck, but of deep necessity. Religion and spirituality, a designed universe? For millennia, humans have looked at the stars and seen purpose. The idea of a divine creator, God, Brahman, the Tao, is a central tenet of many spiritual traditions. While science can describe the how of the universe, religion often seeks the why. Whether it's the fine-tuning argument in Christian theology, the cosmic balance of Hindu philosophy, or the harmony of nature in Buddhism, many traditions have long seen the universe as intentionally crafted. While not scientifically provable, these views resonate deeply with billions of people, the future of the universe, and the final question. In that light, perhaps the greatest mystery isn't why the universe is perfect, but why we are here to marvel at it.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for the more video.